Hi guys, this is Shwaku7. I'm in my backyard patio gym, and today I'd like to do an unboxing video. And today will be the unboxing video of my Rogue MG-4 mixed finish grab bag bar. And I purchased this for $100 on a Rogue Fitness hot deal. And I made a YouTube video on it. So if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so, because that is the only way you're going to be notified when I upload more YouTube videos. And if I see a good deal, I'll create a YouTube video on it. This is the information that Rogue Fitness puts on his website. It's 51.5 inches between the sleeves, has adjustable location for the knurled handles, rotating barbell sleeves, patent pending interlocking joint and nut, multiple finish options, 20 degrees, 16 degrees, and straight handle types, 51.5 inches between sleeves, 41-inch frame, adjustable location knurled handles, rotating barbell sleeves, patent pending interlocking joint and nut, multiple finish options, short and standard sleeve lengths. So let me open it up. And it came with 3 sets of handles. This says 20. This says 12. And this says 10. And they supply 3 Allen wrenches and a giant wrench, along with the instructions. And the bar frame, and it says, warning, it is the buyer's responsibility to ensure the MG-4 multi-grip bar is properly assembled. Check that all hardware is tight prior to each use. And this is very easy to put together. Just unscrew the nut. Remove the washer. Slides right in. Put the washer back. And the same thing on the other side. And just tighten the nut up with the wrench they give you. Okay, I put it together. It was easy to put together. I haven't tightened this bolt up yet, just to demonstrate how easy it is. I mean, just find your position, whatever you want it. And I just arbitrarily picked these distances. If I don't like it, I can always remove the handles and put it to the distance I do want it at. But it's a nice looking bar. Very sturdy and very heavy. And according to my bathroom scales, it weighs 58.2 pounds. And it does fit my Titan Fitness monoliths on my Titan Fitness T3 half rack. And this was a good purchase. I'm glad I purchased it. And it's heavy. Even if you just want to use it to do standard barbell exercises using Vladimir Zasiorski repeated effort method of lifting non-maximal weights to failure, which is the best way to develop muscular endurance and muscular hypertrophy or muscular size. can't believe I bought this for only $100. I thought there was a catch, but there's no catch. Rogue Fitness just has some great deals sometimes. And when I see them, I'll make a YouTube video on it. Okay, that's all for now. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload more YouTube videos. And as always, thanks for watching.